morning, students. Welcome to the session. Last time I completed my financial career. You are familiar with the lesson and what emotional intelligence skill is. Okay? So today let us do some exercises. Examination oriented work. Now you see textbook. Open page number 26. Page 26. And there is this exercise. Understanding people. Understanding people. When you read a story or a novel or a play, or when you watch a television serial or a movie, okay, you come across characters, different types of characters. And if you want to understand the story or that television serial or movie, it is necessary for you to understand the character. Understanding of character means to study the character carefully, to observe the characters very carefully. Now, and that is why in this section, what you are supposed to do, there are many characters who appear in the story. Group them as primary or secondary in the table below. Now there are not many characters in this story, remember. Hardly 3 or 4 characters are there. But there are some stories where there are more than 10-15 characters. When you go to see a movie or when you watch television serial, you see there are many characters. Some characters are primary characters. Some are secondary characters. Primary character means whose role is important. Chief characters. Protagonists. Protagonist means the chief character. Character એટલે પાત્રો. So the very first step is to differentiate, is to classify primary characters and secondary characters. So we have only one primary character in this story. આપણે આ જે વાર્તા છે એમાં મેં જે વાત કરી કે હાર્ડલી 3-4 કેરેક્ટર્સ જ છે, વધારે નથી. ઘણી વખત 25-25, 30-30, 40-40, 50-50 કેરેક્ટર્સ હોય છે. So who is the main character, primary character? Here in our story, Stephen Leacock himself is the main character. The story revolves around Stephen Leacock. He is the central character, the main character. The story is about Stephen Leacock and his experiences in a bank. That is why he is the main character. Remember one thing, the role of main character is important, and the story or a movie revolves around that character. So the present story is about Stephen Leacock's experiences in a bank. So Stephen Leacock is the main character. Then we have different characters. No, secondary characters. Secondary character means characters who helps the main character. No? And let me tell you one thing. The role of secondary character is as important as that of a main character. Secondary character doesn't mean that their roles are inferior, because in a story, in a movie, in a television serial, we require main characters as well as subordinate or secondary characters. Without secondary characters, you see, movie cannot proceed. You cannot write a story, you cannot write a novel without secondary characters. So the role of secondary character is important. Do not underestimate it. So secondary character. Stephen Leacock's interview with manager. First of all, he goes to the bank and meets accountant. Very brief meeting with accountant. Accountant is a secondary character. Then his meeting with bank manager. He goes to the bank manager, and bank manager thinks that this man is a detective. Then he thinks that he must be a very rich man. So the character of bank manager is a secondary character. No? After his meeting with bank manager, Stephen Leacock goes to the accountant to open the account. So again, this accountant is a secondary character. So we have hardly 3 or 4 characters in this story. આ સ્ટોરીમાં આપણને 3 કે 4 પાત્રો જ છે. મેઇન સ્ટીફન લીકોક, ત્યારબાદ અકાઉન્ટન્ટની પેલી મુલાકાત થાય છે, પછી મેનેજરને મળે છે, ફરી અકાઉન્ટન્ટ પાસે જાય છે. સો મેનેજર એન્ડ અકાઉન્ટન્ટ આર સેકન્ડરી characters. Okay, classification of characters is important. Sometimes in a novel we have 3, 4, 5 primary characters. ઘણી વખત નોવેલ હોય કે તમે મૂવી જોવા જાઓ છો તો ત્યાં 3-4 મેઇન કેરેક્ટર્સ હોય છે. હીરો હોય છે, હિરોઈન હોય છે, બીજા અગત્યના કેરેક્ટર હોય છે. But it's a very short story, and that is why we do not have any heroine here. We have only one main character, and that is Stephen Leacock. So, dear students, when you read a story or a novel, or when you watch a movie, think about this. Main characters as well as secondary characters. Now emotions, the next section is very important for you. Again page 26, understanding emotions. You see, this story is basically about emotional intelligence skill, and you see there are 3 columns: character, emotions and effect. And what is the instruction? The narrator and the people in the bank experience a variety of emotions. Make a list of the characters, the emotions each one experiences, the effect of each emotion on the other character. So the first character, let us see, Stephen Leacock. What is his emotion? From the very first moment he enters the bank, he says, I was rattled. Everything rattled me. he was completely confused. He lost control over his emotions. So, what does he experience? Extreme confusion. And what is the effect? What happened because of it? He made blunders. સ્ટીફન લીકોક છે એ બેંકમાં એન્ટર થાય છે ત્યારથી શું કહે છે? ટેરિબલી કન્ફ્યુઝડ. તો કઈ ઇમોશન અનુભવે છે? તો કે ટેરિબલ કન્ફ્યુઝન. અને એનું પરિણામ શું આવ્યું? ઇફેક્ટ શું થયું? He made blunders. છબરડાઓ કરે જો. સેકન્ડ કેરેક્ટર બેંક મેનેજર. કઈ કઈ ઇમોશન્સ અનુભવે છે? In the beginning, he becomes suspicious. શંકા જાય છે. ઇફેક્ટ શું થઈ? He believes that Stephen Leacock is a detective. Then again he assumes that he must be the son of a rich man. Kay emotion anubhavi? He became suspicious. But when Stephen Leacock tells him the truth that he is there in a bank to open a bank account, manager becomes angry. You see, it seems to the manager that the man has wasted his time. Manager becomes angry. So anger is the emotion. And what is the effect? He asked Stephen Leacock to leave the chamber. Then his meeting with accountant. No, when he presents check, a check આપે છે $56 લખેલો. અકાઉન્ટન્ટની ઇમોશન કઈ છે? shocked. He was shocked because Stephen Leacock deposited $56 and now he wants to withdraw $56. So he was shocked. And what is the effect? Effect is that ultimately all of them laughs. Stephen Leacock makes himself a laughing stock. So remember, understanding emotions is important. For this you will have to carefully study the characters. Some are emotional, some are jealous, some are angry, extremely sentimental, some are composed. These are different emotions. Compassion is an emotion. Kindness is an emotion. Anger is an emotion. Confusion is an emotion. We have to recognize the emotions. જુદી જુદી લાગણીઓ છે એ સમજવાની છે અને એ લાગણીઓની શું અસર થાય છે કેરેક્ટર્સ પર. That is also important. Now next section, dear student, is very important. And I will give it to you. એ તમને રિટર્નમાં પણ આ સેક્શન મળશે. And that is vocabulary. Page number 27. Words and phrases and their meanings. આ સ્ટોરીની અંદર આવતા જે શબ્દો છે, જે વર્ડ્સ અને ફ્રેઝીસ છે અને તેમના અર્થ શું થાય છે તમારી પાસે ટેક્સ્ટ છે તો ઓપન કરો પેજ 27 ઉપર. ડ્રેગિંગ, ધ ફર્સ્ટ વર્ડ ઇઝ ડ્રેગ, DRAG, ડ્રેગિંગ. વોટ ઇઝ ધ મીનિંગ ઓફ ડ્રેગિંગ? pull something or somebody with difficulty. Dragging means pull something, PULL, pull something with difficulty. Again, pull something or somebody with difficulty. કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ કે વ્યક્તિને મુશ્કેલીપૂર્વક ખેંચવી. ડ્રેગ એટલે ઢસડવું, ખેંચવું. 25-50 કિલોની બોરી હોય અને તમે જમીન પર પડી હોય ને 2 હાથથી ઢસડો છો, લઈ જાઓ છો. કોઈ વ્યક્તિને તમે બળજબરીપૂર્વક લઈ જાઓ છો હાથ પકડીને, એને ડ્રેગ કહે છે. ધીસ ઇઝ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. આ શબ્દો જે છે તમે જ્યારે ક્લાસમાં આવશો હમણાં 15 તારીખ પછી ત્યારે તમને આપવામાં આવશે. બટ રાઇટ નાઉ ટ્રાય ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ. ઓકે, એ તમને સમજવાની કોશિશ કરો. વોકેબ્યુલરી ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. નો, યુ મસ્ટ એનરીચ યોર વોકેબ્યુલરી. તમારી વોકેબ્યુલરી છે એને તમારે સમૃદ્ધ કરવાની છે. સેકન્ડ ઇઝ હોલો, HOLLOW. હોલો મીન્સ empty space inside without real value. બે મિનિંગ છે. હોલો મીન્સ empty space inside. કોઈ વસ્તુ હોય એની અંદરની વસ્તુ પોલી હોય. જેમ કે ઢોલ છે તો અંદર પોલો હોય, પોલાણ હોય, જગ્યા હોય. empty space inside. Second meaning, without real value. hollow speech એટલે કે એવી સ્પીચ કે જેની કોઈ વેલ્યુ નથી, ખોખલું હોવું. આપણે કહીએ છીએ ગવર્મેન્ટ જ્યારે તમને પ્રોમિસ આપે કંઈ તો આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ? ધ પ્રોમિસીસ ઓફ ગવર્મેન્ટ આર હોલો પ્રોમિસીસ. મીન્સ ધીઝ પ્રોમિસીસ આર વિધાઉટ એની રિયલ વેલ્યુ. ખોખલા વાદા. હોલો સ્પીચીસ, that is hollow. Solemnly, solemnly. This word is important. Solemnly means very seriously. When someone speaks seriously, we say that his speech was solemn. Solemnly means very seriously. ગંભીરતાપૂર્વક કહેવામાં આવેલી વાત. Seriously. Then clutched, to hold something tightly, to grip something tightly. That is clutched. કોઈ વસ્તુને તમે આ રીતે પકડી રાખો જબરદસ્ત રીતે. To hold something very tightly, to grip something or someone tightly is clutched. Clutched નો મીનિંગ શું થાય છે? કોઈ વસ્તુને જબરદસ્ત રીતે પકડી રાખવી. આપણે કહીએ છીએ I clutched to the handle of a bus. Then turn in. This phrase is important. Turn in means appear, remain present. Appear or remain present. Turn in એટલે appear થવું, આવવું. હાજર રહેવું. હાઉ મેની કેન્ડિડેટ્સ turned in for the interview? How many candidates turned in for the interview? એટલે કે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ માટે કેટલા કેન્ડિડેટ્સ હાજર હતા? I waited for my friend, but he did not turn in. He did not appear. મારા મિત્રનું મેં વેઇટ કર્યું પણ તે આવ્યો નહીં. સો ટર્ન ઇન ઇઝ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. ટર્ન ઇન ધ કી એમ પણ થાય છે. તાળું ખોલવા માટે ચાવીમાં તમે પેલું કી ફેરવો છો, ધેટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો હી ટર્ન્ડ ઇન ધ કી. બટ ટર્ન ઇન અહીંયા જે છે, ટર્ન ઇન મીન્સ અપિયર. હી ડીડ નોટ અપિયર. They did not turn in. Then interruption. To interrupt someone. Interruption means the word is very simple. Disturb someone. Interrupt means to interrupt someone means to disturb someone. Don't interrupt her. She is reading. Don't interrupt us because we are attending our lecture. Interrupt means disturb. Then mysterious, rahasyamay. Mysterious. What is the meaning of mysterious? Difficult to grasp or understand. Difficult to understand or grasp. There are some situations, there are some characters, and we find it very difficult to understand the situation. We find it difficult to understand the character. His behavior was mysterious. તેનું વર્તન રહસ્યમય હતું. The entire situation was mysterious. Mysterious means very difficult to grasp, very difficult to understand. He disappeared in a mysterious circumstances. તે રહસ્યમય સંજોગોમાં લાપતા થઈ ગયો. Mysterious means very difficult to grasp, very difficult to understand. Rival, R-I-V-A-L. Rival means competitor, હરીફ. આપણો હરીફ હોય એને રાઇવલ કહે છે. Rival means competitor. Our rival team is very strong. આપણી જે હરીફ ટીમ છે બહુ સ્ટ્રોંગ છે. She is my rival. તેણી મારી રાઇવલ છે, એટલે કે મારી હરીફ છે. The word rival is important. Rival means competitor. Then conjuring, C-O-N-J-U-R-I-N-G. To do a clever trick. Magicians do it. What do magicians do? They simply perform clever tricks and deceive us. Magician is known as conjurer. Magician ને જાદુગર છે, એને conjurer પણ કહેવામાં આવે છે. And what do they do? they perform clever tricks, and by performing those tricks they deceive us. So to do a clever trick, જાદુ કરવું, મેજિશિયન એ કોઈ મેજિક નથી, જાદુ નથી, પણ એક ટ્રીક એવી કરે છે કે જેને કારણે આપણને ડિસીવ કરી શકે છે. સો conjuring means to do a clever trick. Next is reckless. Reckless means rash, R-A-S-H. ઉતાવળમાં ખૂબ આવી અને કોઈ કામ કરી દેવું. His behavior was reckless, harmful પણ હોય. When someone behaves in an extremely hasty manner and as a result of it harms himself or someone, that is known as reckless behavior. જ્યારે કોઈ વ્યક્તિ કન્ફ્યુઝનમાં હોય, ઉતાવળથી વગર વિચારીએ કશું કરી નાખે, જેને કારણે પોતાને અથવા બીજાને માટે મુશ્કેલ પરિસ્થિતિનું નિર્માણ કરે, such behavior is known as reckless behavior. And you see in this story Stephen Leacock behaves recklessly, without thinking, in an extreme haste he behaves. So you can say that the behavior of Stephen Leacock is reckless behavior in this story. Misery, distress. મિઝરી એટલે દુઃખદ સિચ્યુએશન, નિરાશાજનક સિચ્યુએશન. અવર કન્ડિશન ઇઝ મિઝરેબલ, દયનીય પરિસ્થિતિ. મિઝરી મીન્સ ડિસ્ટ્રેસ, અને કન્ડિશન હોય તો એક્સ્ટ્રીમલી પુઅર કન્ડિશન. ધેર કન્ડિશન ઇઝ મિઝરેબલ, દયનીય હાલત હોય. બીજો મિનિંગ એનો ડિસ્ટ્રેસ પણ થાય છે, નિરાશો. વી આર ઓલ મિઝરેબલ ક્રીચર્સ, દયનીય પરિસ્થિતિમાં છીએ, નિરાશામાં સરી પડેલા છીએ. એસ્ટોનિસ્ડ, સરપ્રાઇઝડ, શોક્ડ. એસ્ટોનિસ્ડ means shocked, surprised. The manager was astonished. Wretched, wretched means miserable, દયનીય પરિસ્થિતિ. No, we are all wretched people. We are placed in a wretched condition. Wretched means દયનીય પરિસ્થિતિ. Stephen Leacock placed himself in a miserable or wretched situation. You can make statement like this: Stephen Leacock placed himself in a wretched situation. એટલે કે સ્ટીફન લીકોક છે, એણે પોતાની જાતને દયનીય પરિસ્થિતિ જે છે તેમાં મૂકી દીધી. So this is important. Now dryly, D-R-Y-L-Y. Dryly means without showing any emotion, not showing emotion, without emotion. He delivered his speech dryly. તેણે તેનું વક્તવ્ય કોઈ પણ પ્રકારની ઇમોશન વ્યક્ત કર્યા વગર આપ્યું. ઇમોશનલેસ, લાગણી શૂન્ય. માણસ જ્યારે બોલે છે ત્યારે એમાં ઇમોશન હોય છે, પણ જ્યારે કોઈ વ્યક્તિ સાવ ડ્રાયલી બોલે, સૂકું, લાગણી વિહીન, તો અહીંયા ડ્રાયલીનો અર્થ થાય છે વિધાઉટ ઇમોશન્સ, not expressing or not showing emotions. Okay, so here no, I gave you the meaning of 14 important words which are used in the text. Now thinking about a soft skill, you see page 28. What does emotion mean? Page 28, you see thinking about soft skills. The very first question is, what does emotion means? We are all emotional creatures. We experience different types of emotions. No, anger, happiness, misery, no, composure, jealousy, all these are emotion. Love is an emotion, hatred is an emotion, astonishment is an emotion. આ બધી લાગણીઓ છે. So what do we mean by emotion? No, emotion is a mental state which people experience every now and then. ઇમોશન એટલે શું? એક માનસિક અવસ્થા છે. લાગણીઓ શું છે? એ માનસિક અવસ્થા છે કે જે આપણે અનેક વાર અનુભવીએ છીએ દિવસ દરમિયાન. You feel sad, you feel angry, when you are happy, when you are composed, સાવ સ્વસ્થ ચિત્ત હો, you become jealous. All these are emotions. And what does intelligence mean? Like emotions, we cannot see intelligence, but it is reflected through our action. Remember these two. Emotions and intelligence both are expressed through our behavior. Intelligence એટલે તર્ક, બુદ્ધિ. And what is the function of intelligence? The function of intelligence is to control our emotion. And the next question, what do you mean by emotional intelligence? This is a lesson about emotional intelligence skill. So emotional intelligence means express your emotions intelligently. Don't behave like Stephen Leacock. Let there be control over your emotions. Let intelligence control your emotions. Remember, emotions are very important. We cannot survive without emotions. But it should be properly used. It should be properly controlled. This is emotion, okay? What is emotional quotient? And how is it different from intelligence quotient? IQ. You must have heard this word IQ. Someone's IQ is very high. Intelligent quotient is high. It's a good thing. તો ઇમોશનલ ઇન્ટેલિજન્સ જે ઇમોશનલ ક્વોશન્ટ છે એ ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ ક્વોશન્ટ જેવું જ છે. some people, if they are extremely emotional, we can say that his emotional quotient is very high, like Stephen Lico. Okay, so try to understand the difference between the two. Next time I am going to begin a new lesson, the Verger. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care of yourself.